Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WMIH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line annotation is coming from. And update's probably not the right word for this video. I'd say probably more so confirmation would be an accurate term. Confirmation of what? Well, basically just the levels that I've talked about in the past videos, namely this green line right here at $1.37, which if you did watch yesterday's video, I talked about as that level of support. And you can see that after today's price action, yeah, this was definitely confirmed as support. Several times the bears did try to press down below there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong. So $1.37 definitely seems to be where the buyers are currently hanging out at. But as I said in yesterday's video, and I'll repeat here, in the event the price does break below $1.37, I am not saying that that means the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. Sure, yeah, preferably speaking, you want to see the price stay up above this level, but it's not the end of the world or anything like that if the price does drop below it. That's just kind of the preferable level. The other point of confirmation, to an extent, is up here at the pink line, the famous 200 period simple moving average. I say to an extent because it's not like the price went up there and got rejected by it again, but it was confirmed in the sense that apparently the price needed to go sideways another day before it goes up there and tackles this pretty famous area in the world of charts. And I say that because even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is below it, it does tend to act as resistance. Again, I'm not saying it's impossible to break above it. I'm just saying that usually, traditionally speaking, the price really's got to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight above that level and then close up above it. So all in all, not a whole lot to update from yesterday. The price is, though, maintaining its gains, and it's still got, this key level of resistance in its sights. So we'll see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.